car
So
returned.
we'll give you the 180 that we
No,
thought.
I'm not paying that. I'm not paying 180.
And
no
and
way. There's no way. I'm not paying all that money. No way. It was 130. No, I'm not paying that. I already returned a car. Today's Thursday. We returned the vehicle. It's 11 a.m. We returned it. That's all we need
If
to
you
do.
want, you can keep till 5 o'clock.
No, I'm not. I'm not keeping a car that's not mine. No, no, no. I'm leaving it here. I don't want to get in trouble with the cops. No way. I'm returning the vehicle. This right there is going to be
Still
parked.
there, ma'am. Just we are going in smooth way. That's what I'm saying. $180. Otherwise, they will head office will go to legal something.
Go
blah,
to
blah,
legal
blah.
services.
What?
Go to
Really?
legal. Go
Yeah.
to legal. I
It's a
returned
general
the vehicle.
process. Whatever you return the vehicle, is the cameras is there. But when you return the vehicle, the balance is showing. The cameras is there.
The
So what?
the
Here,
balance
there,
is
and
showing
everything
what?
Is there.
So what?
It's a $224.55.
I cannot
as
get in
of
trouble
now.
for having a
So
for
it's
returning
not
a car.
gonna extra. It's not gonna extra.
Uh-huh.
It's a
You can
balance
get in
stands
trouble
here only.
for telling me something that's a lie.
So
You're gonna get in trouble for telling me a lie because I cannot get in trouble with the police for returning a car and not paying. That's other
right.
stuff.
Yeah, just you pay the amount. That's what
You
I'm
just
saying.
want to get money out of me, and that's not gonna happen. Okay? When Angelo comes back, he can call me. I will deal with him. I've returned the vehicle. You have the car. I'm not
Yes,
giving
I
money.
have the car. We have the car.
Okay.
We have the cameras.
Right.
Nobody's. Yeah.
So come in tomorrow and talk to Angelo, and then
Yeah, that's what we're
we'll
gonna do.
and then we'll finish the.
No, ma'am.
go.
Immediately, I'm going to call the headquarters. They will gonna make a problem. I'm seriously, I'm saying.
Make a problem?
Yes, I'm saying if you wanna go, if you wanna do the head office.
What are you talking
Just you
about?
need to pay the amount. Why you leave this car? How can you go without made the payment? Right?
Because
Just a collector. Let's
the amount that we said that we were gonna pay is you're telling us it's double that. Do you see our concern? It's that we didn't when we had that agreement and we researched other places, we saw that we wanted the best rate and he said 43 a day is what it's gonna be. Now I'm wondering why didn't he give us, a copy if there's gonna be tacking on all these extra fees? Why didn't we get a breakdown of that
If
in a
I
copy?
didn't take the payment, it's I already told you. I'm the employee. They are making problem for me.
Let's go. Come on. We're just
What do you
wasting our
mean?
time, Jenny. We gotta go. We're just wasting our time.
You do one thing. Whatever the taxes, Angelo will take care. Whatever you're
Just trying to
saying is
scare
150. Just you pay now, and he will talk to you tomorrow.
No, I'm not paying without
Listen,
closing that account. No. I'm not
Here's
paying
my
anything.
concern. Okay, I've been so frustrated with rentals and this whole process. I put my insurance card down, okay,
Nothing to do with that.
and we returned it. I don't.
Yeah, you car is returned, ma'am. Today.
Yeah, but you're saying you're gonna make trouble for us if we don't want to pay the
No,
amount
why?
we agreed upon. That's you're
If you
threatening
don't
us
pay the
with
money-
headquarters. It's like what's that?
if you don't pay the money, the customer has to pay the
We'll
rental
pay
amount,
the
right?
amount we agreed upon. That's what we're fine with paying the amount we agreed upon.
Ma'am, that's why just you pay whatever you're saying, 150.
130 is what.
Not 130. It's a 40. You calculate. It's already you paid only
This is
$150.
wasting our time. Let's just go out of here. Let's go, please. Please. Nothing's bad's gonna happen to your insurance. The car is returned. We have it on camera. We have everything. Come on.
Okay, so let's
Let's go and we'll come back. I'll come back tomorrow. and
come in
get it.
tomorrow and we'll talk to
Yes,
Angela.
yes. We're just wasting our time.
43.99 into.
Thank you, sir. What? Okay. So we returned the car. Here's the car. We have proof. We've returned it. This is the place. It's the Nissan Altima 7NPJ352. We returned the car. There we go. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's go. Now we're walking away, and Jenny has no more liability because we are no longer driving the vehicle.
I don't understand why he wouldn't take the amount